I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you tell if your Faceless channel needs a dedicated quality check for on-screen text before publishing? Short answer. If viewers need to read anything to fully get the video, then yes, you need a text QA step. Here's the operator rule I use. If text is doing more than decoration, it's part of the content. That means it needs its own check. Usually I'd add a dedicated text pass if your channel has at least 2 of these 5 things. 1, fast editing pace. 2, mobile first audience. 3, educational, news, finance, or explainer content. 4, lots of captions, labels, or callouts that carry meaning. 5, multiple editors, AI tools, or repurposed templates. If that sounds like your channel, run a 4-point text QA before publishing. First, legibility. Can you read it on a phone at normal speed? Second, timing. Is the text on screen long enough to actually be read? Third, hierarchy. Does the viewer instantly know what to read first? Fourth, accuracy. Spelling, numbers, names, and whether the text matches the voiceover. A simple test. Watch once at 100%, once on your phone, and once muted. If the message breaks in any of those views, your text layer is too fragile. And if you're producing at volume, this is exactly the kind of approval step you should lock into Satira, so it happens every time, not only when someone remembers. If your faceless videos use text to teach, clarify, or retain attention, dedicated text QA is not optional. It's basic production control.